Do you think GPT-5 will create new jobs or take away existing ones? How can businesses prepare for the arrival of GPT-5? Are you curious about how artificial intelligence will impact businesses? GPT-5 is a new AI model that is expected to be even more powerful than previous versions. Well, if you want to know all about this, then stay tuned till the end. It's been more than a year since ChatGPT first amazed us with its language skills. But now, with AI moving so fast, there are new challenges like Google's Gemini and Anthropic on the scene. The excitement is building for ChatGPT-5, and everyone's wondering what it will bring. Let's take a closer look at what's next for AI, considering what we have seen with GPT-4 and where technology is heading. GPT-5, short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 5, is the latest installment in a series of innovative language models created by OpenAI. These models, designed to understand and produce human-like text, have had a profound impact on the fields of machine learning and artificial intelligence. By processing vast amounts of data, GPT-5 learns to mimic human language patterns and generate coherent text responses. Its predecessors have already set new standards in natural language processing, opening doors to innovative applications across various domains, and with each iteration, GPT pushes the boundaries of what's achievable, offering exciting possibilities for the future of AI. So, what's next for GPT-5? GPT-5 marks a significant leap forward in the world of AI. Building on the success of its predecessors, this latest model promises to be even more powerful and versatile. With improved language skills and a deeper understanding of the world, GPT-5 is set to surpass GPT-3 and GPT-4 in its capabilities. Thanks to advancements in AI architecture, it can tackle complex tasks that were once thought impossible. Its enhanced processing power and ability to learn from new data make it a formidable force in the realm of artificial intelligence. GPT-5 stands poised at the forefront of a transformative wave in the business landscape, offering a spectrum of innovative solutions that have the potential to reshape traditional paradigms. Its impact spans across diverse sectors, heralding a new era of efficiency, productivity, and customer engagement. In the realm of customer service, GPT-5 emerges as a star of efficiency, capable of swiftly addressing an extensive area of inquiries with unparalleled speed, accuracy, and personalized responses. By seamlessly integrating with customer service platforms, GPT-5 alleviates the strain on human representatives, liberating them to focus on intricate problem-solving and relationship-building tasks. This not only reduces customer waiting times, but also enhances the overall service experience, fostering loyalty and satisfaction. Moreover, GPT-5's prowess extends into the realm of content creation, where its ability to generate human-like text becomes a cornerstone of innovation. Businesses grappling with the demand for substantial volumes of high-quality content find in GPT-5 a formidable ally. By harnessing its capabilities, organizations can automate content creation processes, significantly reducing the time and resources required while maintaining exceptional standards. Whether crafting engaging blog posts, informative articles, or compelling social media content, GPT-5 empowers businesses to curate a dynamic online presence, captivating audiences, and driving growth. GPT-5 is like a super fast data detective. It can quickly sift through mountains of information, spotting patterns and pulling out valuable insights. This helps businesses make smart decisions based on facts, driving their growth and success. But that's not all. GPT-5 is also a creative whiz when it comes to marketing and advertising. It can use all that data it's analyzed to craft tailored campaigns that really speak to specific groups of people. By understanding what works and what doesn't, businesses can create ads that grab attention and drive sales. And when it comes to research and development, GPT-5 is like a sponge, soaking up new information and using it to help businesses innovate faster. To tap into the advantages of GPT-5, businesses should start by reviewing how they currently operate and pinpointing where they can seamlessly integrate this technology. Training employees to effectively utilize GPT-5 is essential to fully unlock its potential. Moreover, forging partnerships with AI developers and service providers can grant access to cutting-edge advancements in the field, helping businesses stay ahead in a competitive market. Embracing innovative technologies like GPT-5 opens doors to new opportunities and positions businesses for success in an evolving landscape. GPT-5's arrival heralds a new era in AI, offering the potential to reshape industries and drive innovation. By strategically incorporating GPT-5 into their operations, businesses can gain a competitive edge and thrive in a rapidly evolving world. Looking ahead to the future of GPT-5, its potential for transformation appears boundless. As GPT-5 continues its evolutionary journey, its applications are poised to expand exponentially, presenting businesses with an ever-growing area of opportunities for success and innovation. Two pivotal trends to closely monitor in this trajectory are parameter size and multimodality. Firstly, there is a discernible trend towards increasingly intricate models, with GPT-5 potentially housing an impressive 1.5 trillion parameters. A leap forward that could redefine the capabilities of language models altogether. This significant expansion in scale holds the promise of revolutionizing the boundaries of existing language models, paving the way for unparalleled advancements in natural language understanding and generation. Secondly, GPT-5's progression towards multimodality represents a significant leap forward in AI interaction. Building upon its existing capabilities encompassing speech and image functionalities, the integration of video processing emerges as a logical evolution. The strides made in this direction by companies like Google with its Gemini model and the recent advancements in OpenAI's Sora project underscore the growing importance of multimodal capabilities in AI systems. By incorporating video processing, GPT-5 is poised to usher in a new era of AI interaction, enabling more seamless, intuitive, and adaptable forms of communication. Transitioning from chatbots to fully autonomous agents signifies a remarkable leap forward in the realm of artificial intelligence, and imagine a future where you can entrust routine tasks or assignments to a sophisticated GPT-powered application, liberating valuable time for more meaningful endeavors. This futuristic scenario isn't just a pipe dream, it could soon become a reality with OpenAI's persistent efforts to integrate third-party services. The advent of custom GPTs heralds the dawn of a new era, paving the way for even more groundbreaking advancements. This innovative feature empowers GPT-5 to seamlessly interface with diverse services, autonomously executing tasks in the physical world without the need for direct human oversight. Picture instructing an autonomous agent to handle grocery shopping, meticulously selecting items tailored precisely to your dietary preferences. However, as AI technologies like GPT-5 become increasingly ubiquitous, ethical considerations take center stage. Businesses must navigate this intricate landscape with vigilance, adhering to rigorous AI ethics practices and regulatory frameworks to ensure responsible deployment. Moreover, GPT-5's remarkable adaptability and capacity to learn from distinct industries and user preferences offer boundless opportunities for customization and personalization. This transformative capability equips businesses with a formidable advantage, enabling them to deliver bespoke products and services finely tuned to meet the unique needs and desires of their clientele. In the upcoming era shaped by GPT-5, the collaboration between artificial intelligence and human intelligence will become more pronounced, offering exciting opportunities for growth. A scenario where AI and human expertise complement each other seamlessly, creating a powerful synergy that drives innovation to new heights. This collaboration isn't just a passing trend, it's a vital strategy for businesses looking to thrive in a competitive environment. Embracing GPT-5 and other advanced AI technologies isn't just a choice, it's a necessity for companies aiming to stand out in a crowded market. As GPT-5 becomes increasingly prevalent, the ability to leverage its capabilities effectively will become a crucial factor in setting companies apart from their rivals. In this transformative landscape, businesses that view AI as a collaborative partner will lead the way, shaping the future of innovation and success in the digital age. As we stand on the cusp of a new era in business, GPT-5 emerges as a game-changer poised to revolutionize industries far and wide. Its impact, though only beginning to unfold, promises to be nothing short of transformative. Forward-thinking businesses that grasp the potential of GPT-5 and seamlessly integrate it into their operations are poised to reap substantial rewards. By staying tuned to the latest advancements in AI and fully embracing the power of GPT-5, companies can tap into previously untapped levels of efficiency, innovation, and success in today's rapidly evolving digital age. This means not only staying ahead of the curve, but also leveraging GPT-5's capabilities to pioneer new approaches, products, and services that redefine industry standards and drive sustainable growth. With GPT-5 as a cornerstone of their strategy, businesses can navigate the ever-changing landscape of AI-driven innovation with confidence, leading the charge toward a future where possibilities are limitless and success knows no bounds. The future of AI, especially with the advent of GPT-5, shines brightly, promising even greater impact on the business landscape in the days to come. Understanding the full scope of its capabilities, harnessing its strengths, and remaining proactive in adopting its innovations are essential to unlocking its true potential. Well, will you use GPT-5 as soon as it gets in the market? Let us know your views in the comment section below, and if you like this video, then do give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your tech friends and more such amazing videos. Do subscribe to our channel.